Revopoint MetroY Pro 3D Scanner Review. 0.01mm precision for faster CAD-ready results. The print failed again at 2 a.m., and the dimensions were just slightly off. I remember staring at the calipers, realizing the scan data was the weak link. A colleague once scrapped an entire prototype batch because the mesh looked fine, but measured wrong. That was the last straw. Something had to change. Ever had that moment? When scan data is inconsistent, everything slows down. You reprocess meshes, patch holes, and second-guess measurements while deadlines creep closer. I once watched a designer rub his temples after hours of cleanup, the screen glowing harsh and unforgiving. It drains your focus. Over time, that quiet frustration turns into burnout. Still, clarity and control are possible. The shift happened when I tested the Revopoint MetroY Pro 3D scanner in a real production workflow. Do not just pick any 3D scanner. Make sure it has true 0.01mm precision and multi-line blue laser scanning, so you never experience inaccurate dimensions and wasted reprints again. This unit combines 34 cross lines, 15 parallel lines, a single line mode for deep holes, and a 62-line full-field structured light option for fast coverage. In practice, that means tighter dimensional accuracy, cleaner edges, reliable volumetric measurement, and far less post-processing before exporting to STL or OBJ. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 and real-time preview let you see gaps immediately instead of discovering them later. A small fabrication shop owner nearly missed a client deadline after a legacy part failed inspection. But with the MetroY Pro's auto turntable mode and temperature monitoring stabilizing accuracy, he rescanned and delivered on time. That changes things. It feels controlled, deliberate, repeatable, and the long-term results are where it becomes truly compelling.
After several weeks of consistent use, the workflow feels calmer and more predictable. You scan, preview in real time, export, and move straight into CAD refinement without the usual repair marathon. A professional 3D hardware reviewer described the Revopoint MetroY Pro 3D scanner as delivering precision that rivals larger stationary systems when properly calibrated, especially for small mechanical parts. A print shop owner told me, "We spend less time fixing meshes and more time printing parts that actually fit." That difference compounds over months. Some hesitate because of the learning curve or system requirements, and that is fair. It does demand a capable PC and careful calibration. But once profiles are dialed in, the 5 scanning modes give flexibility that replaces multiple tools. The traction is noticeable among engineers and prototyping teams who need repeatable accuracy without stepping into massive industrial rigs. Momentum builds quietly. You also gain confidence in measurement thanks to volumetric accuracy and temperature monitoring that reduce drift during longer sessions. That consistency is hard to walk away from. Could this be the upgrade your workflow has been missing?
If precision, speed, and fewer reprints matter to you, the Revopoint MetroY Pro 3D scanner is a practical investment in smoother production. More engineers, designers, and print services are integrating handheld industrial scanners into daily workflows, and this model fits that shift well. Results may vary depending on calibration and setup, but the performance ceiling is clear: steady improvement. If you are ready to reduce guesswork and build with greater confidence, check the link in the description or pinned comment and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.